Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to the controls. If you see that your buttons are working when you have them disconnected from your phone, you need to turn off your headphones. And to turn off your headphones, you need to hold this button right here. So keep holding this button right here for a few seconds until you hear a voice prompt, power off. So after powering your headphones off, you should be able to do everything. Like, you're going to now charge them while they are of course turned off. Up to 100% you need to charge them, and everything should be fine after that. If it doesn't want to work fine, and if you see that they are still laggy or they don't respond at all to the controls, you need to contact the device support. We can do something called factory reset, but you need to have your headphones working. If you do have your headphones working, like the buttons, hold volume plus and this middle one, this multifunctional one, for 5 seconds till you see that your LED lights right here are blinking. However, if you see that you can't do anything, just contact the device support. And if factory reset didn't help, contact the device support also, because we've got actually no methods to fix this by ourselves. Bye!